Do you live in Sugarland and think you might have problems with your foundation? Hi, I'm Derek with Deep Rock Foundations, and today we're going to talk about a few things that cause foundation problems, some common signs that you should look for, and how to solve them. Sugarland, Texas is full of big, beautiful neighborhoods and big, beautiful homes that often experience foundation problems. Some of the things that people notice is their oak trees are growing big and mature, and those oak trees are drinking a lot of moisture out of the soil. It's been said that a mature oak tree can drink somewhere between 100 to 150 gallons of water a day, and that's coming right out of your front yard. Some of the other things that cause problems in Sugarland would be heavy years of rain followed by years of drought. Years of drought are the biggest issue. In time, seasons of drought. So seasons of low rainfall are going to cause that soil to shrink and cause that foundation to lose the support it needs to sit level. Sugarland was built on previous farms and rice fields and pastures that were then graded into neighborhoods, and that soil is very soft and can move and will move over time as a house ages. Some of the things that you might notice is visual signs like broken tile, sheetrock damage, a door that's sticking, or maybe expansion joint in your brick opening up or a large brick crack. You might notice a crack running through your garage floor. If you're seeing any of those visual signs, it's a good idea to act fast and get your foundation checked. Foundation problems don't solve themselves. They almost never get better over time. By waiting, you might end up having to spend more money to do your repair. So if you're seeing any of these visual signs and you have concerns about your foundation, call Deep Rock Foundations for a free evaluation where we'll provide a detailed report of the condition of your foundation. Deep Rock Foundations has served many homes in the Sugarland area, and we're proud of our 5-star reputation for the projects we've done there. Give us a call and schedule a free evaluation of your home today.